welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how to make, pickles, but these are not like regular pickles. There's no vinegar, and the pickling process is literally like between 3 to 5, 6 days, depending on the size of your cucumbers. We make these a lot in the summertime when we have an overabundance of pickles, of cucumbers, but we can't actually do the whole pickling process because it does take a while for them when you actually pickle them, and we just don't have the space to keep it. So if you want a really easy, delicious pickle recipe, keep on watching.